Salam dostlar, today we will start to learn grammar. Today's topic is a verb to be. In Kazakh we call it жіктік жалғауы, including ending of the pronoun мен, I. Am in Kazakh are men, mon, ben, bon, pen, pun. In Kazakh language, the word connects through endings. Each ending depends on the last letter of the word. When the word ends to thick or thin vowels or to voice, sonorant, and the voiceless consonants, the ending will be different. If the word after men ends to vowel or to one of these consonants, then we use these endings, men or mon. Now let's see in what case we use the ending men. When the word ends to these thin vowels or to these consonants and the vowel before last consonant are these thin vowels, then we use the ending men. To understand this rule better, let's look at this example. Men is I. And she is singer. So to make I'm a singer in Kazakh, we have to add the ending men to and she, because the last vowel of the word and she is e. E is a thin vowel. Here men is an m. Men and shemen. I'm a singer. Men and shemen. I'm a singer. Here, rule is the same, just the word aji ends with the vowel ye. Men ajimen. I'm a grandmother. Men ajimen. I'm a grandmother. We always look at the last letter of the word that follows men. Men akemen. I'm a father. Men akemen. I'm a father. Let's look at this example. Here the word muallim, teacher, ends with the consonant letter m. Before we add an ending, we look at the last vowel of the word. If the last vowel is one of these thin vowels, then we use the ending men. Men muallimmen. I'm a teacher. Men muallimmen. I'm a teacher. Here the rule is the same. The word жанкүйер, fan, ends with the r. You can see it in this frame. So we'll look at the last vowel of the word жанкүйер. It's a thin vowel ye. Men жанкүйермін. I'm a fan. Men жанкүйермін. I'm a fan. Let's move to the ending mon. If the word after men, I, ends to these thick vowels or to these consonants and the vowel before last consonant is one of these thick vowels, then we use the ending mon. Here the word ata ends to thick vowel a, so we add mon. Men atamın. I'm a grandfather. Men atamın. I'm a grandfather. Men anamın. I'm a mother. Men anamın. I'm a mother. Men аудармашымын. I'm a translator. Men аудармашымын. I'm a translator. Here the word compositor, composer, ends with the consonant r. And we'll look at the last vowel, wo. Мен композитормын. I'm a composer. Мен композитормын. I'm a composer. Let's repeat what we have learned. To the word after men, we add endings men or mun. But first we look at the context of the word. If it ends with a thin vowel, then we add min. But if it ends with a thick vowel, then we add mun. If a word ends with these consonant letters, we'll look at the group of vowels, then we choose the right ending for it. Now let's learn endings bin and the bun. If the word after min ends to zh, z consonants, then we add endings bin or bun. We add ending bin if the last vowel of the word is a thin vowel. For example, мен ғазизбін. I'm Ghaziz. Ghaziz is a name. The last letter of the Ghaziz is Z, and the last vowel is E, thin vowel. So we use bin. Мен ғазизбін. I'm Ghaziz. Мен ғазизбін. I'm Ghaziz. If the last vowel of the word is a thick vowel, then we use the ending bun. Let's look at an example. Here the last vowel of the жеңімпаз, winner, is a thick vowel a. That's why we use the ending bun to жеңімпаз. Мен жеңімпазбын. I'm a winner. Мен жеңімпазбын. I'm a winner. Мен қызбын. I'm a girl. Мен қызбын. I'm a girl. If the last vowel of the word that ends with zh and z belongs to the group of thin vowels, then we use bin. If it's thick, then bun. Now let's learn the endings pin, pun. If the word ends to these consonants, then we use the endings pun, pin. If the word ends with these thin vowels, then we use the ending pin. Let's look at this example. Мен жігітпін. I'm a guy. The word жігіт means guy. The last letter of it is t, and the last vowel in front of it is e, thin vowel. So it's мен жігітпін. I'm a guy. Мен жігітпін. I'm a guy. If the last vowel of the word is a thick vowel, then we use the ending pun. For example, мен қазақпын. I'm Kazakh. The word Kazakh ends to k, as we see in this frame. And the last vowel of this word is a. So we add pun to Kazakh. Мен қазақпын. I'm a Kazakh. Мен қазақпын. I'm a Kazakh. Let's sum up the endings pin and the pun. If the word after men ends to these consonants, then we use pin or pun. To add pin, the last vowel of the word should be thin. To add pun, the last vowel should be thick. Join us on Facebook to the closed group Kazakh language with Zhannur and with the teacher Luena Autumn. Her Kazakh name is Laura Ramazanova, and she's also a great teacher in our group. Today's video lessons sponsors are Rai Word from New Zealand and the Elan Stenwarden from Holland. Thank you so much, dears, and thank you for learning Kazakh language. See you in the next video. Кездескенше!